This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
The spare wheel and tools are located in the luggage compartment under the boot carpet. Lift the carpet, then lift out the tool storage tray. Unscrew the spare wheel retainer anti-clockwise and lift out the spare wheel. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Locate the domed jack head into the jacking points nearest the wheel to be changed. The jacking points are small plates on the base of the door sill with a central recess for the jack head. Only use the jack on firm level ground. Raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Fully unscrew the bolts, remove the road wheel and place it beneath the sill as a precaution against the jack failing. Locate the spare wheel over the hub, then refit the bolts and tighten them lightly. Remove the punctured wheel and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel bolts securely. Stow the punctured wheel and toolkit, then refit the luggage compartment floor carpet.